Hello children, today we will start a new chapter, chapter number 8, Who is Happier? Children, you might have seen seesaw in a garden. When you sit on it with your friend, the one who is heavier will go down and the one who is lighter will go up. In case if both of you are of the same weight, then it will be in a balanced position. That means no one will go down and no one will go up. This is a balance that you might have seen with a fruit seller or a vegetable seller. Here in this balance, on the left side we have 1 apple and on the right side we have 4 apples. Since the weight of 4 apples is more, that's why right side is going down, it's heavier, and left side is going up as it is lighter. See this picture carefully. Which is heavier, a mango or a feather? Now we know that a mango is heavier than a feather. That's why mango will go down and feather will come up. Similarly, in this picture, which is lighter? Yes, the seashell is lighter and book is heavier. Same way in this picture, elephant and mouse are there. Elephant will be heavier and mouse will be lighter. See this picture also. Horse is heavier, so it is going down, and cat is light in weight, so it is going in upward direction. Now gur, that is jaggery in English, and groundnuts. Shabnam loved to eat jaggery and groundnuts. One day she bought 1 kg of jaggery and 1 kg of groundnuts. We know that kilogram is written as kg. Okay. After buying both the things, when she saw both the bags, she said, "Oh, the groundnuts look so much more than the jaggery." Are the groundnuts really more than the jaggery in weight, or do they just look more? See here in the picture, the size of the bag of a groundnut is more as the size of groundnut is more. Same way, gur is smaller in size, that's why its bag is smaller in size. So here the answer will be they just look more. Next it is given, you have to guess for which thing you will require a bigger bag, 1 kg popcorn or 1 kg sugar. Now here the size of popcorn is bigger, that's why we will require a bigger bag for popcorn. Next one, 1 kg peas or 1 kg potatoes. Again the size of peas are more, that's why we will require a bigger bag for peas. Our next topic is pumpkin tomato panga. This is the playground where tomatoes come to play every day. They love playing on the seesaw. One day a big pumpkin comes and sits on one side of the seesaw. When he does not get up for a long time, the tomatoes decide to sit on the other side and lift the pumpkin up so that he falls off. The little tomatoes start climbing on to the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 till 25. Oh, the pumpkin is still sitting and laughing. So the big tomatoes decide to help. The little ones get down and make way for the fat ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, so on till 20. Yay! The pumpkin is up in the air. It shouts, bring me down, please." And then he never disturbed the tomatoes. Now we have to guess how many small tomatoes could lift the pumpkin up. 10, 20 or 40. As we have seen earlier that 25 small tomatoes were not able to lift a pumpkin. So Here the answer will be 40. I hope you understood the concept taught today. Happy learning!